Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to close this or lock this sliding door towards the bathroom to get your privacy. So what you do is slide it all the way, and in here if you slide it all the way it locks, the bottom part locks. You'll be able to slide it out and that's how it locks. Now if you're inside or you accidentally close the door and lock yourself outside, you just pull this out and it unlocks. Right, so if you're inside, so you're in the, you want to take a shower or you want to sit over there, so you just pull the handle all the way till now it's locked. See, now you can open. Now you lock yourself in. Now to open the door, you just put your phone over here and it opens. Alright, that's it. That's how you lock or unlock this type of door for the bathroom. Or you can push your hand by hand. Use your hand or foot, whatever is more convenient for you. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.